So that's Dave, 74 years old, and Mike, 24 years old, recently turned. They're putting on our storm jib, which is a real light sail. It's 10 by 10, and it's designed specifically for storms. So we just got word that we might have a storm coming in, so we're just getting prepared for it just in case. The storm jib. So Dave, while installing his storm jib and sitting on the bow, dipped his butt in the Pacific Ocean. How's your butt, Dave?
Wet.
But look at this beautiful sail he put up.
Is that water?
No, it's dry.
Prep. Expected 30 knot winds, according to a satellite call. Got the storm jib up. The last time it was heck, so tonight's going to be a nice quiet night. Make sure that little bitty sail.
So we're on day 14, and we're still looking at some pretty big seas, but we put up the storm jib last night, which made for some real smooth sailing, and I got my first real good night's sleep that I needed. And I've been getting real irritable and just tough getting through, and that night of rest, that did me real good. So first thing this morning when I got up, I thought I came up to greet the day, and we went out, and the first order of business was to go up and put up the main sail. And the boat dipped down in the water and got us all completely drenched, and I'm back to being irritable. No. Anyway, so day 14, we're getting closer. We're at about 855 miles away, so we're taking bets on the day that we're going to arrive. Captain Rick thinks we're going to get there on the 25th. No, the 25th. Dave thinks we're going to get there on the 26th. Mike thinks we're going to get there on the 25th, and I think we're going to get there on the 24th. And I'm probably going to be right. So, but we'll see. I'll keep you posted. Yeah, so we just put the mainsail down. We're getting ready for another storm tonight. Still on day 14. It's about 5:45. I've already put out dinner, cleaned up the dishes, and I got about an hour and a half before my bedtime. And I brought one can of Guinness, and I'm thinking that this might be the time to crack that open. But I'm still deciding. I'll let you know. But yeah, that's it, I guess, for now.
My friend in Chula Vista, the Australian guy.
So after a team huddle, we decided to save this beer until we see land. As Captain Rick put it, drinking a beer now, about 6-7 days out, would be like premature ejaculation. So I can go ahead and save this for a more momentous occasion and a more celebratory moment. So that's that. This part always sucks. Daytime is great. We're always together, hang out. But the daytime is the price you pay. Daytime is the price you pay for having a night watch. 4 hours in the dark, alone by yourself with your thoughts. It just never gets easier. Plus, I've been having the most intense dreams every night. And nothing takes you further away from a night watch than a dream. I just woke up and I went to some weird high school graduation. I was with all my friends from high school somehow. I recounted all the good times. I can remember it vividly. And then the next thing I hear is Captain Rick's voice. Ryan! Ryan! You're up! And boy, am I far away from high school and all those warm, fuzzy feelings. And now it's time to, I have 3 jackets, and 2 pairs of pants, warm socks, and I'm going to freeze my ass off for the next 4 hours by myself there. So here we go. This is the price you pay for all those good times during the day together. It's worth it. Get Maui soon.